Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Modi, Excellencies, dignitaries on the dais, my fellow colleagues from industry, ladies and gentlemen, I am indeed privileged and happy to be here at the 6th edition of Vibrant Gujarat. On behalf of the Confederation of Indian Industry and on my own personal behalf, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all of you to Gujarat. CII is indeed privileged to be the national partner for the 6th Vibrant Gujarat Summit for the 4th time. Let me begin by extending our warm felicitations to the Honorable Chief Minister for his electoral success for the 3rd time, a hat trick in cricketing terms. This ensures continuity and stability in the progressive economic policies internalized by the Honorable Chief Minister, whose visionary leadership is today a role model. Not only is Gujarat one of the fastest growing states in the country, but its example is being emulated across many states. Gujarat has made a remarkable overall progress. We see almost every state embarking on an investors' summit now, a proactive approach established with a walk-the-talk approach of the government here. There are many areas, may I say almost every sphere, where Gujarat has made remarkable progress. And I am not even talking of doing business in Gujarat, where my own group's experience has been excellent. What strikes me today is the leadership displayed in energy, agriculture, skills, technology, and innovation. Energy, a power surplus state with leadership in renewable energy, a state-sponsored solar power policy, the largest solar park in Asia. Gujarat has displayed tremendous leadership in this area. The state is the first in Asia and 4th state or province in the world to set up a separate department for climate change that is headed by the Chief Minister himself, showing the importance attached to the initiative. Gujarat has a very high agriculture growth at 9.6%. This has been possible because of its innovative agri-policies, focused approach towards agricultural research, and use of technology. The focus on skilling manpower is correct and appropriate. Gujarat is using technology and industry partnership to scale up the skilling initiatives in the state. Its scheme of industry-responsive skills centers, where industry is offered land and building in partnership by the government to set up industry-relevant skill courses, has generated a large response from the corporates. International collaborations to create state-of-the-art skills center and walking the talk will set Gujarat much ahead of other states. And to me, this will be another very significant differentiator. Technology, R&D, and knowledge. A recent CII report on manufacturing pointed out that China's low-cost advantage is eroding. Many countries are gearing up to take advantage of this window of opportunity. India can leverage this only if it builds on manufacturing quality, invests in R&D and innovation, not limit innovation to just new product creation. And this is exactly what I find Gujarat actually doing. The emphasis this year on knowledge collaborations, exchange programs, MOUs with reputed international universities and research institutes to set up incubation centers, forging technology collaborations is all in the right direction. Honorable Chief Minister, this displays your foresight and futuristic approach. You have clearly defined the differentiators for the state in the national context. In your march towards progress, Mr. Chief Minister, may I offer 7 areas where CII could work for Gujarat. Knowledge application and facilitation. by acting as a bridge between research institutes and industry. Intellectual property rights facilitation with focus on protection and commercialization of intellectual property by MSMEs. Nanotechnology, develop a central facility for industry in Gujarat to use for research in nanotechnology applications. Water management, with focus on good practices, water supply, wastewater treatment, water management techniques, capacity building for municipal staff and industry. PPP fellowship to PhD scholars for doing industrial research. Agriculture, bring progressive next practices to farmers, which of course Gujarat is actually doing extremely well. And finally, youth entrepreneurship development and skill development. We greatly look forward to the next 5 years under your dynamic leadership, Mr. Chief Minister. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.